All right, folks, here's three stocks that I think are going to explode here going into June. The first one's going to be HPQ. So this is a tech company. Obviously, you guys probably buy their printers and stuff like that. They make a ton of money, right? $14 billion a quarter. They're crushing their earnings, doing very well. But look where their stock is, okay? Their stock is in the gutter, man. This thing's gone from $40 all the way down here to 20. That's an 80% retracement. We did get our signal here back in April. Okay, that was last month at around $18. But what I want to point out here on the daily is that when we are down below these EMA ribbons, if you guys do not have the EMA ribbons, you guys can download those over here in the trading indicator tab. But when we are down below those, you can see we've been below those since right here in November. So it's been, what, 6 months now? We've been in a downtrend, right? We know we're in a downtrend. It's very easy to tell if we're in a downtrend or an uptrend, okay? When we're in a downtrend, we don't want to be buyers necessarily, right? We want to wait for that breakout over the EMAs, just like how it broke out last week. It pulled back. Okay, it broke out again the prior week and pulled back again. When it comes into these EMAs is when you want to buy it, right? When it pulls back here, this is a daily chart, right? This is the daily, this is not the weekly. But when we see assets break out over this EMA, that pretty much confirms the breakout. And you can see the stochastic RSI, that thing's starting to turn the corner here. This is a huge bounce. We're targeting around $28 to $30 on this. We use the top of the Fibonacci retracement tool. Again, if you guys do not have my indicators, you can download them over here in the trading indicator tab. But typically where we look to sell based on the daily chart is right here, okay? A red dot in the red zone. So whenever price gets up here to the red zone, this is when we're looking to take profits, okay? Red dot in the red zone right there at $37. It's sold all the way off down there to 15. So when this comes back up here to $28, $30, we'll be looking to take profits, but that thing is reversing. Very nice bounce there off of those EMAs. I think this one's going to get a lot here in the next couple of weeks. The next one's Smci, same kind of thing, right? Just been in a downtrend, been in a bear market since November. Brutal 6 months, hasn't done anything. Oh God, hasn't really done it. Boom, breaking out here. Okay, we're crossing on those EMAs, and look where it's bouncing, right on those EMAs. I think SMCI is heading back up here to $50, $60 here by the end of the year. Again, we want to sell a red dot in the red zone. These are swing trades, guys. These are not day trades. These trades do not happen overnight. They take 1 to 6 months. That's our typical time frame. Again, I don't make this stuff up as I go. We have a full-blown strategy over here that's all based on logic, data, and discipline. All of our trades are for 1 to 6 months out. We are not day traders. We have a plan that we follow. And you guys can check out that free trading course too if you want to learn more about these indicators. But again, we want to sell up here in the red zone, and that thing looks like it's heading right forward up there at 60. The next one's IONQ. This is a quantum computing play here. Kind of an interesting play. We bought this one down here at 27 off that dot. We're already up over 100% on the position, but this thing looks like it's going back there for more, 70 to 80, bouncing right off the EMA today, looking good.